Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. This is Prismatica, a brand new disco infused addition to GarageBand for iOS's sound library. Fans of Lindstrom, Daft Punk and The Midnight, you're going to love this one. Get the dance floor moving with a kaleidoscope of sounds inspired by new disco and French house. A collection of Apple loops delivers driving beats, retro-sounding synths, funky guitars and a variety of grooving synth and electric basses that pay homage to 70s classics while sounding fresh today. And new beat sequencer kits combine modern drum sounds with throwback percussion and FX from the golden age of disco. Sounds pretty bloody good to me. In this pack, you get over 250 new Apple loops, 3 drum kits and 2 live loop grids. So this is yet another substantial update that Apple have gifted us GarageBand users, and it's great to see. So let's dive in and take a listen at some of the new sounds on offer in Prismatica. What better way to get a taste of what this new pack offers than by jumping into the 2 new live loop grids. Solaris is a little more upbeat and has some definite synthwave vibes to it. Second, Neon Dreams, is more laid back and much more traditional new disco flavoured. There are 3 new drum kits included with the Prismatica Pack 2, Modern Disco, Prismatica and Solaris. Now, I'm by no means a decent or even passable finger percussionist, so you'll have to forgive the following poor attempts at tapping out rhythms on these electronic kits. And finally, there are over 250 new disco Apple loops on offer too. These range from subtle percussion sounds to full-on beats, arpeggiated synths, vocal samples, and tons more. It didn't take more than a few minutes for me to find a bunch of sounds I liked and throw them together to make a tasty wee loop jam session. So there you have it, that's a quick look at the latest addition to GarageBand's sound library, Prismatica. Personally, I think this is one of the best additions yet, and I can't wait to jump in and play with these killer new sounds some more. Are the sounds and tools included in this update right up your street? Leave a comment below and let me know. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.